Good morning, guys. Now is Monday, so I will tell you how to model parts, simple parts using AutoCAD software. So said we will draw a line from here to here, like 102. So here 102. Yeah, this is it. Bali yan yung 102 natin. The next thing na kailangan nyo, what is the width of this? Say this is 22, so 22 times 2 is 44. So we will draw here a line, and let's say 22. So we will know that this is our center line. So we will click this and say, ito nga palang pull down menu na to is line type manager. So kung hindi nyo makita dito yung center line, we will just add or load, and we will find center line. We can check, we can choose center 5 times, 2 times, or 5 times. Let's say I will choose this one. Okay, then we have here already center line. So you can make scale of this center line by clicking this properties 0.1 or 0.5. That's it. So next thing, what will be the radius of this? I said 22. The radius is 22. So we will select an object, circle, then we will click here, and that's it. This is the radius of this is 22. This one. So guys, pwede natin palitan ang dimension style niyan. Let's say I will command D. So I have already a dimension style. So we will just set a new one. Let's say I will choose this an area. Okay. So we will choose an area here. Type A area. This one. So apply. I think we should make an 0.8 width factor. Okay. So we will choose here in annotate, we will choose an area. So you can also change the color of this dimension line by simply clicking D for dimensions style manager. Then we will choose color of the lines. So we will choose color maybe 8, no, 8 or gray one, or a red if you want. Okay, yeah, that's it. Also the text, we can create also the text to be a red one also. So choose red one, right? Okay, yeah, that's it. So the next thing you will make is this circular, this one, or this one. You can make this circle. The diameter of this is 22, so we will make 22. So circle, choose here circle, or just make C for circle. So we will write R22. Oh my god, sorry. Make C and diameter. Sorry, its diameter is 22. D, it's 22. That's it. So if you want, and we will trim this one. Yeah, that's it. You can make this also center line. Kung gusto nyong gawing center line din to, you simply click this one and MA, meaning MA, meaning match properties. That's it. So now we will make this. So guys, pwede nyo palang i-layer to. We can make it the layer so that suppose I have center line, we will make this as 8. So that's it. Select the object of center line, then select here center line. The next thing you will do is this half circle. So we will make it the distance from here to here is 20. So I will make offset 20. Then we will make a circle of ranges 8. R ranges 8. And that's it. We can make this as center line. Again, you can extend this line from here to here and then trim it. Trim command. And this one and this one. And also I will make this fillet R14. Fillet R14. Simply mirror this one from the center to here. Then trim it. That's it. The next part we will do is this area. Look guys, the thickness of this parts is not the same here, so what you will do is to make this 64. I will make this 64 from here to here is 64. That's it. Because this should be separated. We will make it break this one. I think this is when we model this one, this should be separated from this part to this part. So we will make extrude this one. We will make extrude so that you will see in 3D. So just edit this one. Edit meaning because this line is not connected to each other, so you must edit in order for you to make it in extruded. Edit this one, select this one, enter J meaning join, and this select all the lines within this part. Now you have polyline. So what you will do is to extrude this one 20. Extrude meaning extrude by select this one and make the extrusion 20. This is solid now. So when you see it in the 3D, three-dimensional, you will see this almost 3D. Now you will gonna make this part, this area. So what you will gonna do is to make this area of this part to be extruded. So I will make a line, this one, will bed it, J, and I will extend this. Now you have a bedded line, polyline. So next you will extrude this by say 16, this one, extrude this one, select this one, 16. What is the extruded height? It's 16. So now you have already this part to be extruded. If you want this circle to be extruded also and subtracted from this solid line, you will make it extruded by 16 also. So let's say extruded 16, extrude 16, 16. Guys, pag nag-extrude kayo, this is positive, extrude. This is positive, this is negative. So let's say I will extrude this in negative. So the extruded line, maybe, not maybe, this will be here, minus 16. The extruded line will be goes down, so we don't want this to be happen. So we will extrude this one, then enter by 16 plus 16, then you have already extruded line. If you want this circular to be subtracted here, because when you shade it like view, when you shade it this or simply shade this one, this part is not subtracted from this main, so hindi siya butas. So what you are gonna do is to command subtract or SU subtract, then pick this solid model, enter, and subtract this one. Yeah. Now you have already subtracted circular hole in this part. So the next thing you will gonna do is to copy this, you make a font, then copy this one, this part to this part. So we will make a dimension for this. If this is this one, so let's say 52, so 52, set this center line. Guys, the next thing you will do is this part. So I will give you this. So make your UCS object para ma-draw nyo yung next object natin. So we will look at this. See the height of this area is 52 minus 32, so meaning So meaning 52 minus 32 is 20. this dimension will be 20, so I will draw a rectangle which is 13, rectangle at dimension is 44, which is rectangle 13 at 13 by 44. So we have already rectangle. Then we will extrude by 20. Extrude by 20. Now you have this object. This object. So in order for you to one solid this part, so you will make union so that it will be one object instead of four objects. See, now we shaded. Now it's done. Now you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.